Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. You can watch how to make chicken with vegetables in the oven. Bone-in chicken pieces will be used. Chopped onion. Chopped carrot. Chopped potatoes. Green and red chopped bell peppers. Spices. Black pepper, chili flakes, ginger, vegetable seasoning. Tomato powder. Thyme, cumin, ground pepper. Soy sauce, balsamic vinegar. Easily cut chicken wings with a knife. Shred the chicken with the line. You can make one chicken 20 pieces. Finely chop the onions. Cut the potatoes into half moons. Place the onions on the bottom of the baking tray. Onions will cook easily with the juice left by the chicken at the bottom. We are really behind in YouTube videos and I ask you to give a like and comment to this recipe, and if you want to donate, you can leave a tip using the super thank you feature. Support me. Add chopped carrots. Onions and carrots will be at the bottom and should be completely covered with chicken so that it can be cooked well in this way. This is my old workplace and I came to cook for a few days. I couldn't do video editing for a while because my computer screen was broken. It came from repair and is now in good condition. Add chopped potatoes. Sprinkle some salt on the vegetables. Add chopped green chilies and red chilies. Add boned chicken pieces. When adding chickens, place them without spaces. Place chicken skins on top. Chicken skin will be well browned in the oven. One of these trays is enough for 20 people. There is enough food for 100 people. Sunflower oil. Yogurt. Adding salt and other spices. Tomato spice. Powdered ginger. Mixed vegetable spice has celery and onion flavors. Contains ingredients such as leek and parsley garlic flavor. Black pepper, cayenne pepper, cumin, thyme. Small amount of chicken bouillon powder. Thick black soy sauce. some balsamic vinegar. Materials are mixed completely. Adding a little more red chili powder, not hot. The mixture is added to the chickens. You can leave adding salt to chance, or you can calculate and add salt in moderation. I used 7 grams of salt for 1 kilogram of ingredients. 5 grams of salt is used for 1 kilogram of ingredients in heavily spiced dishes. In other words, since this is a very spicy dish and the ingredients in one tray are 4 kilograms, a total of 20 grams of salt will be sufficient for one tray. Industrial steam oven. It will be cooked at 160 degrees for 40 minutes and with intermittent steam. 40 minutes may not be enough to cook completely. Reach the desired redness, but the chickens are not fully cooked. It was cooked for another 20 minutes by adding a lid on it, and it turned out great. Bon appetit to those who will make it. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.